There are two really remarkable HP wall covering products that are type 2, that meet type 2 requirements, that are non-wovens, and that have all the hallmarks, I think, of where wall covering is going forward. And they are the HP Durable Smooth and HP Durable Suede wall covering or wallpaper. These are paper-based products. They're PVC-free. They're non-wovens. They have all your classic hallmarks on the back, you know, with your waffle pattern for installation. They print absolutely beautiful on a latex printer, especially your 500 series and then even up to your 1500. They're PVC-free. They're environmentally friendly. They're Green Guard certified. They're Forest Stewardship Council. All of the environmental signatures these meet. This is a great way in the commercial wall covering market to get started with a latex printer. I think it's putting your best foot forward. It's taking advantage of a water-based, environmentally friendly technology, marrying it to an environmentally friendly Green Guard certified, Forest Stewardship Council certified product to print in a commercial space with all of the hallmarks that our people are looking for sustainability and green. It comes in a smooth and it comes in a suede, your choice, both of which print beautifully. These are fully vetted, evaluated extensively. There's a lot of information online. If you go and search for this wall covering, you will see tips and tricks on installation, which you can provide for your installation teams. And here's the thing. When we say meets type 2, we don't just mean that the product is a type 2 commercial grade wall covering. It is. What we mean is after you print on it, it is not necessary to laminate this and still have that type 2 met. This is not needed to laminate. The reason I like this is if I have a 570 and I do a big wall covering job, let's say 20 panels, 12 feet tall or 10 feet tall, I'm simply going to print them and I'm going to install them. I do not have to use any form of liquid lamination to achieve a type 2. For most other products, whether it's a UV product specifically or a solvent product, you have to put a liquid laminate in order to ensure that you're going to achieve a type 2. Because the wall covering itself may be type 2, but after you print on it, then it's no longer type 2 as far as scratching, scuffing, cleaners, ketchup, mustard. Type 2 is a very elaborate form of evaluation. It's a lot more than just does it scratch. So you have to achieve type 2, and you can't do that with a UV printer without having a liquid-based lamination, which adds another step and more consideration. With this, it's print, install, you're done. So you save those steps. That's why I really like this product. The HP Durable Smooth and Durable Suede wall covering. This is a paste wall covering. Excellent product from HP, highly recommended. This is usually my first choice for commercial grade because I don't want to have to do that lamination, and I really like all the other things about this wall covering that makes it special.